You have control and communications.
I have control and communication.
Master caution. Electrical, AC essential bus fault.
ECAM actions.
AC essential feed, alternate. Alternate. ATC system 2. System 2. Electrical, AC essential bus fault. Clear?
Clear.
Out of flight. Yacht Amper 1, rudder trim 1 fault, rudder travel emitter 1. Out of flight. Clear?
Clear.
Calling status. Status, Cat 1 only, inoperative systems, ADR 1, ILS 1, Captain Pito, Captain angle of attack, Cat 2, Yacht Amper 1, rudder trim 1, rudder travel emitter 1, system data acquisition concentrator 1, flight warning computer 1, DMC 1, GPWS. Status clear.
Clear.
ECAM actions completed. You have control. I have communications.
I have control. You have communications.